Get ready to take your exam with confidence using the Enlarge Font tools. We've designed a quick demo to show you how to enlarge the text on a Mac device. Begin by selecting the apple in the upper left corner of the desktop and select System Settings. Select Accessibility, then Zoom. Toggle on Use keyboard shortcuts to zoom. Open Lockdown Browser by selecting the magnifying glass icon in the upper right of your screen, typing Lockdown Browser and selecting it from the search results. Sign in if prompted. Navigate to Courses in the menu on the left side of the screen. Select the course for the exam, then select the exam to begin taking it. To zoom in, use Option plus Command plus equal sign. To zoom out, use Option plus Command plus minus sign. When you complete the exam, select Save and Submit. If you have questions, Services for Students with Disabilities are here to help you at 936-2943512 or disability@shsu.edu.